Look at this YouTube channel. This channel has started 6 months ago and has got 132,000 subscribers by uploading only 120 videos. So we can also start to do a YouTube channel like this, with AI animated content like this channel doing. So before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe on our YouTube channel and make sure to turn on the bell icon to get notifications to watch our latest contents. So let's start the video. Open any browser and open ChatGPT and ask it to write a story for you. So I am asking it to write. There are 2 boys. Both of them are lost on a beautiful island close to the ocean, finding an ancient treasure, and they are saved at the end. Make sure the speaking tone is friendly and in storytelling style. After that, hit enter to generate. And after that, ask it, you want to create an animated YouTube video about this story, and I want to use images to make the video. Could you suggest images for different scenes? After that, hit enter to generate. Once the prompts are generated to each scenes, now we have to generate AI images. For that we are using Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo AI, click on Generate Images, and you should adjust the image width and height according to your need. I am using 9:16 ratio. After that, you should copy-paste your prompts from ChatGPT to this prompt section in Leonardo AI. You should not worry, because if the coins are over in your account, you can create new accounts and use them to generate AI images. After that, we need to animate our generated AI images. For that, I am using LayerPix. To animate your images, emit them to LayerPix like this, and from here, select an animation type from this section like this. After you select an animation type, you can download it like this. So do the same process for the other images. After that, we need to generate a voiceover for our animation. For that, I am using 11 Labs. You should create an account in this site, and you can select a voice model from here and copy-paste your script from ChatGPT to this section, and you can download it from there. After that, we need a background music for our video. For that, I am using YouTube Audio Library. From here, you can download copyright-free music for your videos. And after that, we need to edit our video. For that, I am using CapCut, and it's free to use. So import all your downloaded video clips and audios and background music to CapCut, and edit your video like this. After that, export your video clip and upload it to your YouTube channel. So like that way, make more videos and grow your YouTube channel. So that's all for the day. See you in the next video. Good luck.